Hi friends, welcome to the channel Unshackling Sudoku and Puzzles. Myself Ashish, and today I'll be covering a Sudoku variant called 0 to 8 different Sudoku. This Sudoku was featured on Sudoku Mahabharata contest organized on Logic Masters India website. Two people authored this contest, Harmeet Singh and Gaurav Jain, and it was the last episode of the 2019 Sudoku Mahabharata contest, right? And this Sudoku was one of the favorite Sudokus of the set. All of the top solvers enjoyed this Sudoku a lot, and there were a few very good things that very good logics that were used in this Sudoku. A very different kind of variant this is, and I really love this variant, so thought of trying to cover a video on this Sudoku. So I would really suggest you to check out the contest page. There are some excellent Sudokus by Gaurav and Harmeet Singh, and I will add the link in the description below for the contest page, as well as the link of the online Sudoku or interface of the Sudoku that we are solving today. So coming on to the Sudoku, we need to place digits from 1 to 9 in each row, column and 3 into 3 box, as usual classic rules. And you can see that each box has some circles, right, between those two cells. So for each box, the difference between the two cells having a circle is different. So for example, the Sudoku name is 0 to 8 different Sudoku, right? So one of the boxes will have difference as 8, other box will have the difference as 7, third box will have the difference as 6, and we have to find which box has which difference, right? And there will be a last box having no difference, and which means that there will be no circle in that box, which is called the 0 difference, right? So it is part of the solving to find out which box has which difference, right? So for example, if a circle has if two cells has 1 and 9 between them, then and there is a circle between them, then that box has the difference of 8, right? And all the possible and difference is given in that box. So for example, if you have this box and the difference is 1, then all the possible differences of 1 in this box are already given with the circle, right? So if there is no circle in that box, then that means those two digits cannot have the difference of 1, right? So it's the part of the solving to find out which box has which difference, and there cannot be circle, sorry. Okay, so and there cannot be circle between the two boxes, between the line edges of two boxes, right? So with that, we'll start solving this Sudoku. The first thing that you have to look out for is 0 difference won't have any circle in it, but there are two boxes, right? The box 5 and box 8 has no circle in it, which means it is difficult to find out which one is the 0 difference and which one is the other one, right? So let us see if we can go with the other way. The other thing that you have to look out for is, see for the difference of 1 and 9, I mean to say difference of 8. The difference of 8 can only have one possibility, that is 1 and 9. So if a circle has 1 and 9, which means it has to have a difference of 8. So we can try to find that one if at all possible. And so if you can see, there should be only one circle. If it is a difference of 8, it can have only one circle or no circle. There are only two possibilities for the box to have a difference of 8. So you can see this is only one circle here in this box, but it cannot be the difference of 8 because you already have a 9. So it cannot have a 1 and 9 here, not possible. This circle is also not, this box is also not possible, 1 and 9, because 9 is already there. So there are three possible places for 1 and 9, the difference of 8. This box, you can have 1 and 9, 9 and 1 here. This box is also possible. You can just take away the 9 being close to 1, because there is no circle in between, and even this box is possible, right? So that is also not helping us. So now you should look out for the box having more circles, right? So because those can only be a difference of 1, 2, 3 or a maximum of 4. So if you have a three continuous cell combination of circles, right? So if you see this way, then you can have a maximum of 4 here. You cannot have a difference more than 4, because 3 continuous cells with a difference of more than 4 is not possible, right? Which means that this box and this box can have only difference of this box and this box can have only difference of 1, 2, 3 and 4. So still there are only 3 boxes and 4 combinations, 4 possibilities. So again that is very difficult to find because you know you have many options here. So let's see anything else if we can get here. So let us try to solve with the classic rules first, right? So you can have a 9 in one of these two cells according to the classic rules. Same way 2 in one of these two cells, 8 in one of these two cells, 7 in one of these two cells again, and 5 can be in one of these two cells. One of the very good start breaking here is the 1 here, right? Now if you can see a group of 4 consecutive cells, right? So if you can see there are three dots here and there are 4 cells that are consecutive to each other, which means the difference can only be 1 and 2, it cannot be 3. So the difference of 3 will need a maximum of only 3 cells. So 1 4 and 7, you cannot have something of difference of 7 at the greater digit. So which means that this box can have a difference of only 1 and 2, and as you can see here the 1 is already cannot be in one of these 3 boxes, which means the 1 has to be on the circle. So this is one of the excellent break-ins of this puzzle, excellent break-in. So if you can see the 1 here, 1 can only be in one of these 5 boxes and all of these 5 boxes are the circle cells, which means the other number will either have to be 2 or 3, because the difference is either 1 or 2, which means the other number with the 1 will have to be either 2 or 3, and 2 is already given here, right? Excellent. So if you have a 1 here, you cannot have a 2 here, and anyway if you have a 1 here, you cannot have the 2 because 2 is already given, which means that this box will have the difference of 2, and 1 has to be on the corner of the I would say 1 has to be on the last cell of the consecutive digits, right? Because it cannot be in the middle. 1 and 9 can never be in the middle, so you cannot have a 1 here or a 9 here, because the difference being the same on both the sides will have same digits on both the sides, right? Which means 1 has to be in one of these 2 cells and the other digit will have to be 3 and 5 and 7, right? So it is 1357 or 1357 anyway, but the difference we have got is 2, right? And now you can see that 8 cannot be in one of these 3 cells, so 8 has to be here, which means the difference is 2, which means it has to be 6 now, and these 2 numbers are 4 and 9 in any order. What an excellent start of this Sudoku, guys. Excellent start. See, sometimes you don't have to look out for classic rules or look out for the normal basic notations that you see. The basic thing is that 1 8, as we have already seen, 1 and 9 the difference of 8, or 1 and 8 on 2 and 9 the difference of 7. That is sometimes very difficult to get, right? But if you can see here, the logic is excellent, awesome logic. And now with that we get these 2 digits are 5 and 7 in any order, right? Now let us see if we get anything else here. And so 8 has to be in one of these 3 cells. Okay. Okay. A very narrow logic, I would say. I'm not sure if that is the intended solve path, but it is really a narrow logic and excellent logic. So if you can see here, can these 3 digits have 9? Can these 3 digits be 9? Let us see if that is possible. So as you can see, 9 cannot be here and 9 cannot be in the middle as well. So can this cell be 9? So a 9 in a cell can with a 3 continuous cell can have a difference of only 1, 2, 3 or 4. 5 is not possible because 9 with the 5 will be 4 and the next cell cannot have a 9 again, and the difference of 5 is not possible. It will go with the negative constraint, which means that 9 with the corner cell, I would say the last cell with the 3 consecutive digits will have only difference of 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? Let us see if that is possible. 9 with 1, 9 being here with the 1 should have an 8 here, not possible. 9 with 2 should have a 7 and 5 here, 5 is not possible. 9 with 3 should have a 6 and 3, 9, 6 and 3, 3 is not possible. 9 with 4 should have a 9, 5 and 9, 1, 5 is not possible. Excellent logic, guys. And which means that 9 is not at all possible on these 3 continuous digits, which means that 9 has to be in one of these 3 cells and 9 will have to be in one of these 2 cells now in this box. Now why that logic was very much needed here, because At the start of the solve, we deduced that the difference of 8 is possible in one of these three cells, right? With the 1 and 9 being on the circle cells. And now as you can see, 9 is not possible on one of these two cells, which means that 1 and 9 is eliminated from here. And now the 0 difference and the 9 difference will be taken by both of these boxes, right? So we know that the 0 difference cannot have any circle in it, and the 9 difference is not possible in one of these, any of these cells, right? Any of these boxes, which means the 9 difference will also have to be in one of these two cells, and 0 and 9 difference are already fulfilled now. Excellent logic, excellent logic. 0 and 8 difference, 0 and 8 difference is fulfilled by these two boxes. Now we have already got the three boxes here. This is the 2 difference box. These two boxes are either 0 and 8 difference box in any order, right? Now let us go with the again the other way around. 8, 5, 9. Okay. Now let us see the 7 difference. 7 difference. Now as you can see that all the boxes, the remaining boxes has circles in it, which means that we'll have the difference in one of these boxes, right? Let us go with the 7 difference. 7 difference has only two possibilities, that is 1 and 9, 2 and 9, 1 and 8. So 7 difference is not possible here, right? 2 and 9 is not possible, and 1 and 8 is possible here. Okay, 1 and 8 is possible here. Let us see this difference. 2 and 9, 1 and 8 is not possible. Excellent. Here 2 and 9 is not possible. 1 and 8 is also not possible, right? And all of the other boxes has circles, more than 2 circles, right? So 7 difference can have maximum of only 2 circles, 1 and 2 and 9, 1 and 8. And if you can see, all of the other boxes have more than 2 circles, which means the remaining box here should have 1 and 8 option, and that has to be in this way only. So 1 and 8 is not possible here, 2 and 9 is not possible here, 1 and 8 is not possible here, 2 and 9 is not possible here, and all the other boxes are eliminated directly, which means this box will have either, this circle will have either 1 and 8 and 2 and 9. 2 and 9 is not possible because 9 is already here, which means this has to be 1 and 8, and with that we get an 8 in this box. Superb. And with that, the 1 and 1 here, we get a 1 in this box. And now if you can see, because of the 1 here, this box cannot have a difference of 8, because if this box had a difference of 8, 1 and 9 are together, and there has to be a circle here, which means this box is a 0 difference box, and this box is a 8 difference box, which means a 9 cannot be near to 1, and a 9 has to be here. I really can't express how I'm enjoying this Sudoku, guys. Excellent solving path, excellent solve path. And with the 9 here, we get a 9 in one of this cell, and now we have got nearly 4 differences, right? This is the 7 difference, 0 difference, 8 difference, and 2 difference, right? Excellent. And let's see if we get anything now. And okay, so we have done till this one. Let us see this box now. Do we get anything here? This cell can have 1 and 4 only possibility, right? So it is only 1 and 4 possibility. What this box can have a difference of? It can have a 3 cell combination can have only 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? 2 is already done, which means 1, 3 and 4. Is 4 possible? 4 is only having one possibility, I would say, 1, 5 and 9. So 4 is not possible here. So the only two possibilities remaining are 1 and 3. Is 1 possible here? 1 will have 2, 3, 4 combination. Only 2, 3, 4 possibility is there. So which means this has to be 4, this has to be 3, this has to be 2. Oh, 1 is also not possible, friends. Excellent. So if you have a 1 here, you have a 4, 3, 2 possibility here. Only one condition, one case is possible, which means this cell will have to be a 1, and this cell will again have to be a 2 because of the difference of 1, right? Excellent. Which means that 1 and 1 difference is not possible here, and this will have to be a 3 difference, which means 1, 4, 7 is not possible, 2, 5, 8 is not possible, and this 3 continuous cells will have to have 3, 6 and 9. and that becomes here 9, 6 and 3 in the this order because of the 3 here. Excellent guys, excellent. What a logic here, which means that the 7 here will get a 7 here now, and this 7 will give you a 1, 3, 5 and 7 here, which means that the 3 digits are 1, 4 and 2, and the difference of 3 has only one case, that is 1 and 4. So this one gives you a 4 here and a 1 here, and the remaining digit is 2, and this 4 gives you a 9 here and a 4 here, and this 5 gives you a 5 here, and the remaining digit is 2, which gives you a 2 here, and these two digits are so 7 and 4, right? 4 and 7 in any order, and this cannot be a 7. Oh, can be a 7, right? Okay, it cannot be a difference of 1, right? Because 2 with the difference of 1 will either have to be 1 and 3, and 3 and 1 both are not possible on this cell, which means this box cannot be a difference of 1, and not being a difference of 1, 8 cannot have a 7 here, which means this has to have a 4 and 7. Now this becomes a difference of 4. What a logic, which means that this has to be a 1 or a 9, and 9 is not possible, which means this has to be a 1, this has to be a 6, and the remaining digit is 9. So we have got 6 differences already. This has the 4, 3, 2, right? And this is 7, 0 and 8. So which means that 2, 5 and 6 and 2, 5 and 6 are again pending here, which is taken by these 3 boxes, and the 3 cell digit cannot have 5 and 6 as we have already seen, which means this box will have a difference of 2. And let's see if we get here something. 2, 4, 6 is possible, and okay, the only possibility is 2, 4, 6. So whenever you have a difference of 2 in any box, the parities will always have to be same, either even parities or odd parities, right? And you can directly mark that these 3 digits will have to be even parities. So these kind of tricks will always help you to solve faster. This kind of things will help you in speed solving, right? See, speed solving of a Sudoku. And if you can see, the odd parity is not possible because 5 and 9 are already taken, and the remaining 3 digits are 1, 3 and 7, which doesn't have a difference of 2 equally. So 3 and 7 has a difference of 4, which means that these 3 digits will have to be 2, 4 and 6. And just a second. Have we done something wrong here? 743195682. I'm sorry. A difference of 2 was already taken here, right? My bad. Excellent. I was just confused that we have broke the Sudoku. It was my bad that we have already taken the difference of 2, right? 2, 3, 4 is already taken. 5, 6 and 1 is remaining, right? So this has to be the difference of 1, not the 2. I'm extremely sorry. Which means that the difference of 1 can only be taken by 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 5 is already used. 6 and 7, 8 cannot be possible. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. And 1 cannot be in the middle, right? Because 1 and 1 are already here. So 1 are taken from these 2 cells. So 1 cannot be here. So 1 cannot be used in these 3 cells, which means it has to be 2, 3 and 4, which means the only possibility is, because of the 4 here, it has to be through 3 and 4. And with that we get a 3 here, and these 2 digits are 5 and 6 in any order, right? And because of the 9 here and 9 here, we can write the 9 here, and which means that these 2 differences are 5 and 6 in any order, right? We are not sure which will take the 5 and which will take the 6. And so this is the difference of 1, right? It cannot be 1, so 1 has to be here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So which means 7 has to be in one of these 2 cells, because 6 will go with the 7 and 8 will go with the 7. So which means 7 has to be here, and this has to be 6 and 8 in any order. And these 4 digits remaining are 5, 7, 1 and 6, right? 1, 5, 6, 7. 1, 7 is already here. 5 also cannot be here, which means this has to be 6, right? 6, 1, 1, okay. 5, 7 and 1. Because of the 1 here, you get a 1 here, and these 2 digits are 5 and 7. and this has to be 7, it cannot be 5, because if it is the 5, it is the difference of 4 which is already taken, right? Which means this has to be 7 and this has to be 5. This gives you a 6 here, sorry 7 here, which means the difference of 6 is already taken here. So the remaining difference is 7, I mean to say 5, which means this has to be a 2. And now because of the 7 here, you can eliminate 7 from here, and a 7 is here. 1, 4 and 8 are the remaining digits here. So this is 1, 1 has to be here, and these two digits will have to be 4 and 8 in any order, right? And okay, so these two digits are 5 and 6 in any order. Let us mark those two. These two digits are also 5 and 6 in any order. These two digits are 5 and 3, right? And because of the 3 here, you get a 5 here, a 3 here. And these two digits are 6 and 4. Because of the 4 here, you get a 6 and a 4 here. And because of the 8 here, you get an 8 here, which means this cell has a possibility of 5 and 6. So this has to be a 4. And these two digits are 3 and 6, right? So 6 has to be here, 3 has to be here, which gives you a 8 here, a 6 here, a 5 here, a 6 here, a 5 here, a 6 here, and a 5 here. And that gives you a 4 here and a 8 here, which gives you a 4 here and a 2 here, the last digit here. And with that, we completed this excellent Sudoku, 0 to 8 different Sudoku. What an amazing Sudoku this was, guys. Excellent Sudoku. Hats off to both of the authors, Gaurav and Harmeet. I would really suggest you and recommend you to check out the contest page. I'll add the link in the description below. And hopefully you enjoyed this video. Do like and comment if you want us to solve any other Sudoku variant or a puzzle genre. And we really look forward to subscribing the channel. Look forward to your subscribing the channel. That will motivate us to cover more of the videos in the coming future. And thank you for watching this video.